Come test drive this 2006 Audi TT. Audi made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Audi prioritized handling and performance with features such as variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.